In this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks card on the Nintendo Switch. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. I bought this Fortnite V-Bucks card in the store, so guys, we can't redeem it on the usual way. So normally what you just do is you go to V-Bucks, select any package, purchase, then you go to the Nintendo eShop, you select Nintendo eShop card, and then here you enter the code. But if you do it here, it will say that the code is not recognized. So to redeem this Fortnite gift card we bought in the store, if you read the back, it says we need to go here to Fortnite.com/VBucksCard. So we are now in Fortnite.com/VBucksCard. It also says here cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. So if we click on get started and we enter here the code, next, choose the device you play Fortnite on. We play it on the Nintendo Switch. Next, you're about to redeem V-Bucks on your Nintendo Switch account. Econ Twins, yes, confirm. And now the V-Bucks are loaded in your Fortnite account. So if you go now on the Nintendo Switch to Fortnite, you also see that we have here in the top right corner, we have now 2,800 V-Bucks. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. And then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.